If you're watching this, it means Earth is in danger. I'm speaking from the year 2140. We're barely surviving. The oceans have swallowed our cities, the heat has destroyed our crops, the sky is burning. We're now living underground. We breathe recycled air. But it didn't have to be this way. Our science team discovered the year you're living in, 2025, was the last chance to change everything. So we're sending this message to you, hoping someone will listen before it's too late.
It all began with the heat. Earth temperature rose just a few degrees, but that was enough to break everything. Scientists warned it was happening faster than any time in 100 years, and still the world kept burning fossils fuels. Still, we did nothing. Next came the storms. Hurricanes grew stronger, massive walls of wind and water. Cities like Miami and New Orleans washed it away. The floods didn't care if you believe in climate change or not. As the heat rose, the ice melted. Greenland and Antarctica collapsed into the ocean. Sea levels rose inch by inch until homes, coasts, entire towns disappeared underwater. They call it coastal erosion. We call it drowning. Then the fires came. Heat waves turned forests to ashes. Flames ate through the west and even reached the southeast. The sky turned orange. The air turned to smoke. Some days we couldn't even breathe. The oceans absorbed the damage until they couldn't anymore. Acid levels rose. Coral reefs, once bursting with life, turned ghost white. Without them, marine life vanished. The ocean was no longer blue, it was empty. And finally, the chaos. Storms that never stopped, floods without warning, droughts that lasted for years. It wasn't global warming, it was global breaking. The earth was no longer stable. We have studied your time and your moment. The truth is, we always knew when you start going wrong. This is Earth, hitting us slowly, year by year. By 2022, we had already passed multiple climate records, but it wasn't just the past. We had models, we had projections. If we had acted in time, we could have limited warming to 1.5 degrees, but the longer we waited, the higher the line climbed, past 2 Celsius degree, then 3 Celsius degree. The future became unrecognizable. Rain no longer came when it was needed. Floods in one place, drought in another, crops failed, rivers dried, storms raged. With the melting of ice sheets, sea levels rose, foot by foot. Cities disappeared, homes gone, billions displaced. This is the full time of Earth temperature. For thousands of years, climate stayed within safe limits until your century. 1 year on this chart changed the course of everything. 2025, that was your turning point. That's why this message is being sent now. The models show it clearly. If emissions didn't start to drop in 2025, warning will become irreversible. We have seen what Earth used to be. Green, alive, full of wonder. You still have that. Please, don't let it disappear. Use the sun, use the wind. You don't need to burn the planet to power your lives. Protect what's still breathing. Your forests, your oceans. In our time, they're almost gone. Waste less, restore more. What you throw away today might cost someone their future tomorrow. Speak up. Push your leaders to act. You're more powerful than you think. We don't need you to be perfect. We just need you to care before it's too late. You still have time. We didn't. You are the last hope.
We can't come back, but you can still move forward. Don't wait. Don't forget us. Please, save yourself.